All right, on these, they're asking you to graph the following line, and it's already in point slope form. So what I did was I pulled out what the point was. My x-coordinate is -2. My y-coordinate is 4. It's whatever's being subtracted from those. Okay, sorry, I got interrupted there for a second, so I lost my train of thought. So I've figured out my point. It's what's being subtracted from my x and from my y. So I'm going to go ahead and plot that point. -2, 4. It's right there. Let's make that a little darker. And then my slope is -1/3. So from that point, I'm going to go down 1, right 3. I can do that a couple times. Down 1, right 3. Down 1, down 1, right 3. If I wanted to, I could go up 1, left 3. Let's go ahead and draw our line through that point, those points, and that's what it should look like. Let's go ahead and do the second one over here. On this one, you notice you have y plus 2, and it's whatever's being subtracted from the y. So you think of that as actually y minus -2. So my y-coordinate is -2. My x-coordinate is 5. So let's go ahead and plot 5, -2. And my slope is 3/2, so up 3, right 2. Up 3, right 2. And go ahead, draw our line through those points. Should look something like that. All right, 17 here. Use a scatter plot to answer the following questions. Does the scatter plot show a positive, negative, or 0 correlation? I'm going to go with a negative. Sorry about that interruption there. Now we want to draw the line of best fit. And I had already done this. You just kind of want to draw a line where it is through as many points, and you have about the same number of points above and below. Now I'm going to choose 2 points on this graph. And I want to choose points where it looks like it's going through kind of the corners. So I'm thinking this one right here, because it looks like it's going through the corner. And actually right here, it looks like it's going through the corner. And I could do the opposite, or the difference of my y's over the difference of my x's. I'm going to do rise over run since they gave me the graph here. So here, my rise, how much is it going up? Well, it's going from 0 to 30, so my rise is 30. And then my run, how much is it going over? Well, it's going from 72 to 12, so it's going to the left 60. That's why it's going to be negative. So my slope is going to be rise over run. So I'm going to say -1/2. I'm also just going to get the y-intercept from this graph. So right there's 30. That right there is 35. My y-intercept is where it's crossing. I'm going to say that is about 36. Could be 37. I'm going to say 36. So my b is 36. So I'm getting a lot of my information just from the graph. So y equals -1/2 x plus 36. And you might get something slightly different, but the numbers should be fairly close. All right, I hope you enjoyed.